Good morning, Ellie House fans. Even though it's like, I don't know, I think it's like 3 o'clock or something. Let's go to the playroom. And then I'm gonna block the shot because of a special guest. Can you see her? Can you see her? That was a joke. This is her.
Hi.
This is Katie. She's my best friend. She's 8 years old.
Best.
And I'm taller than her.
Not now.
Even when you go on your tippy toes, I'm still taller than you.
I know, but I'm much taller when I'm on my tippy toes.
She's 8 years old. She's 8 years old and I can still pick her up.
I'm a unicorn.
I don't think you can tell, but she likes to pretend things die. I don't know if you can tell, but she is crazy and she is silly. So today I'm gonna have her rate all of my fidget toys. Starting off, so you're gonna also give your opinion. So you rate this one. This is a phone, knockoff phone Dimple, by the way.
She got it from Kids Camp.
If you guys are wondering what Kids Camp is, it's a thing we do at our church.
Yeah.
Well, rate it. Tell the fans how you like it.
I like it.
Rate it out of 10.
Okay, I would give it an A because these are hard to pop and your fingers can get stuck.
Yeah. So this is my whole bag.
This is my favorite part.
This is my bag. This is my big bag of fidgets.
Yeah.
Fidget scrunchie.
This one is nice. It a 10.
10.
Super.
All
Because
right.
it's also super pretty.
Here's a soft fidget scrunchie.
Okay. I would say a 7. I don't really like the color.
Pipe cleaners.
Okay. I'm not a fan of pipe cleaners, so this is a 6.
Twisty Pet.
I love Twisty Pets. This is definitely, like, if it was out of 10, if it was out of 20, I would definitely give this a 20 because I love Twisty Pets. So this is definitely a 10.
All right, Pop 2.
I love these things. Because this one's kind of broken, definitely 8.
8.
I mean 9. This is a 10.
It's a stress ball.
It's super squishy. I'm a football and I'm gonna punch you. Ooh.
Broken Pop tube with no handle.
Okay. You can really barely stretch this one out. It's gotta be a 3.
All right. Fake dimple spinner.
Oh yeah. This one's kind of broken, which is awesome. 9.
Sensory bag. Rice sensory bag.
Okay. I don't really like the texture. It's a 7.
Clay sensory bag.
Oh gosh. 10.
Fabric. I'm joking. This one's a 2 out of 10.
No, that's definitely a 10 after. It's really fun to play with.
I'm joking. It's not a
Okay.
Orbeez bag.
This one's my favorite.
It's one of her favorite sensory bags.
Yeah. This gotta be a 10.
ASMR, homemade ASMR pod. You're not supposed to take it. You twist it.
Oh, you
Show
twist it?
the fan.
Okay. This is a 2 because... No, this is 5. 5.
Wacky track.
I love these things. It's a 10.
This is another dough stress ball. You don't rate that one.
I'm gonna give it a 10. Oh, this one open.
It's okay, just close it.
I'm not really good at closing those. Don't give me the next thing.
Now, number stress ball.
Oh, great. This is hard. 5.
5. Okay. And then the rest, what about a fidget wing? Leave the camera angle alone, fidget wing.
It's not very stretchy and fun. It's gotta be probably a 7.
Alright, you stay here. I'm gonna grab my bike chain so you can rate that. Oh, bike chain and Squishmallow and Pop It. Where's my bike chain? Where's my bike chain? Can't find it, so the Pop It and Squishmallow will have to do for now. Where did my Squishmallow go? Yes! Oh, it's in my room. I'll be back. It's my room. Big Squishmallow. Unicorn Squishmallow. And the water, and the lava lamp. The fake lava, the homemade water timer. That's not really a timer. I've got 3 more fidgets, girly. I couldn't find the bike chain. It's the flippy chain I have. And this, that's how you're supposed to turn it. Homemade water timer.
10. I don't want to put it on the couch.
Put it on the coaster.
Here, we'll put it there.
Pop It.
I love Pop It's a lot. It's definitely a 10.
10
It's
out
on
of
the
10.
loud side, I think.
Alright. Yeah, that's the loud side. She's obsessed. She
love
has
Pop
some.
Its. I actually have a Squishmallow with me.
She has her Squishmallow with her.
And then this one. Let's rate it. I want to
Rate it.
10. Super squishy.
Yes.
I'm a unicorn and I love to dance and I'm gonna be dead.
She loves to pretend things are dead. So, that was a video. Hope you guys liked it. Bye!